You guys, it's your boy Anthony, and I'm here to show you guys how to get the motion pose, right? Test motion pose, BHV or BVH, with my couple of stats, right? So as you can see here, I'm on the Clip Studio website, and I've updated to Clip Studio 3.1.0, the latest one that came out, and I'm using it now. If you guys want that, you ain't gonna get it on YouTube yet. You're gonna have to go to my Rumble or or the other alternative like Odyssey or BitChute, right? It will be on those if you guys want it, right? So this guy here, there's a free version of it on Clip Studio Asset Store where you can get it. If you want to update to the 3.1, you'll be able to utilize it. But so far, I've dabbled with it, and all I can do with it right now is use it to do whatever animation it has in it. You understand? That's whatever frames it has in it. To put in frames in it, that can be a headache. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this one way you can download it for Clip Studio, right? The next way now I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go over to the other clips. I'm going to go over to the other screen now to show you guys in Clip Studio. Let's go to the next screen. All right, so we're in the next screen now. All right, so here in the next screen, what I want to do is, as you can see here, it have the 3D assets. The one I download here, which is this, and then these two here that came with the new updates. You'll be able to, you will see like the little download sign of it here, which you could just, in order to download it, you have to grab it and drag it in, but it must have an existing 3D model on the page here in order to utilize it. So you go with a 3D model on the page here, and then you drag it in. You go and you drag it in, and you get what you're looking for. Yeah, in order for you to put it, you have to select the character first, and then drag it in. Right? So once you put in that sequence on it, you'll be able to mess with the sequence. Right? So what I'm gonna do here is, let's get rid of all of this. That. Come back to the first one. Right. The second one here. The first one here first. Second. There the second one. All right. Maybe to this way, this, and this way. And leave it like that. Right. So the new one. Let's go into sequence. Go into this. Adjust body shape. That'll be this little thing here. Screen. You wanna go into that, and then you will see pose sequence. You wanna click that. Pose sequence. If it didn't drop this in or any of these three in on the 3D object, you're not going to see pose sequence no matter what you do. So you have to drop one of these in order to utilize pose sequence. Trust me, that's how they make it. That's what I mean. So if I want to animate this, this here is the first pose. So I already visualized that in the first place here. This is the second frame. I just come here to the up button here and switch it. So this pose 2 and pose 2 will still be there. So I'm going to go back in pose sequence, pose to 3, come here, come here, playing all the frames on them. 3, put on tools, 3 tools, 3, no, 2, 3, 3. Alright, so here, yes, so I go to the sequence, 3, and the fourth one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So once I play this now, I could add a little more into it, right? Something like right. So if you guys have reached this far into the video and like what you see, please like and subscribe and follow for more. Right. Again, if you guys looking to get a version of 3.1.0, it will be on my alternative sites. The name is the same, so it's not hard to find on those other sites on there. Okay. Since YouTube don't allow it, the other sites does. So go there. I can't put a link down below. You'll have to go and search it for yourself. If you're on Rumble or the C or on BitChute, you'll be able to find me. I know some of you guys might be saying too, so if we want to animate and make our own sequence, how are we doing that? Trust me, I've been trying for a bit now and I can't find any way to save the poses on them. If any of you guys come across a way to do that, write in the comments down below or send a link or something so. And I'll be able to make a video in more depth when it comes to that. Or you yourself could do that. Doesn't really matter. But this is just a demonstration on how to use it in animation. Okay? Alright. You guys stay healthy, stay safe wherever you are in the world. You guys rock. Thanks for coming. I am out.